Back in 1938, the sound of a ferry's hooter stirred passengers to urgent action to come aboard. The story of the Oreston and Turnchaple ferry certainly stirs the imagination. For instance, as a result of sometimes quite heated competition, rival crews would entice the opposition's customers across the pier. But this corporate rivalry ended when the Oreston Steamboat Company and the Turnchaple Steamboat Company amalgamated forces in December of 1871, and thus was born what was affectionately known as the Red Funnel Line.